And there it is, the OnePlus 9 Pro on the Warp Charger 50. I left it on here all night because I wanted to see what happened. It's warm, but it's not hot. It feels like maybe it was plugged in but not doing warp charging. The charger is not at all hot. Now if I put it back on here, we get the awesome logo. Fan kicks on. Put the microphone right by the fan. You can tell that it does make a bit of noise. It is louder than the first turbine cooled device I tested. This is the UTech wireless charger stand, not for the OnePlus. This still only does 15 watt or up to 15 watt depending on your phone, whereas the OnePlus Warp Charger does 50 watts, faster than most wired chargers. And it does have like bedtime mode, which I thought was pretty cool. But so far, so good. I ran some updates last night. So now we can take this off the charger and we should be good for quite some time. 6 seconds ago, battery usage not available yet. So I'm gonna go take some pictures, get used to this phone. I do really like that 3D case. And it is transparent. So if you take it off, there's nothing like the naked phone, right? I guess I can take that off. So this is what the pine green looks like. Slight bluish color. And so this is the OnePlus case that you can order. I believe this is either 20 or 30. So there's an imprint on the interior of the case, but if you look there, you can see my finger underneath. So it does let a little bit of the pine green go through, but your standard bumper case, really light. I would say this case would last maybe a year. It's soft, but yet not too soft that it's going to collect pocket lint. And I like how it easily pops on and off the OnePlus phone. Like the design. Very much so. Okay, there we go. There's my morning afterthoughts with the OnePlus 9 Pro. I like it a lot better than the Nord. It reminds me a lot of the OnePlus 8T. I didn't try the OnePlus 8T Pro last year, just the OnePlus 8 and the OnePlus 8T. The main difference is going to be the lens and the camera and functionality, and like OnePlus advertised, the amount of light that's coming through. To be continued.